Wheatley vodka, being distilled 10 times, goes ahead and offers a beautiful texture to the cocktail in which I've created. Hi, I'm Nicole Lebedevitch. I am the bar manager here at Ashkara in Denver, Colorado. The name of my cocktail is the Fallen Cherry Fizz. For this cocktail, I chose to use Wheatley vodka, both for its texture as well as for its higher acidity. Here at Ashkara, we utilize ingredients from our kitchen when we're going ahead and making our cocktails. Here we've used cardamom to go ahead and enhance the beautiful notes of cherry, sour, and the blank canvas of Wheatley vodka to go ahead and create a refreshing aperitif in the fizz. I am Nicole Lebedevitch, and thank you for watching Cocktail Creators.